What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create AI-generated images for free online. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Creating AI-generated images at no cost can be an exciting and creative endeavor. You might have tried various free websites for generating AI images, but found it a bit challenging to generate your desired image or never got what you have been looking for. Don't worry, this time it won't happen, because I'm going to introduce you to one of the best websites where you can generate your desired AI images for free. Navigate to Fotor.com on your favorite browser. The link to the website is in the video description. Scroll down to explore the website and see what it has to offer. But let's generate our first AI image using this site first. Type any phrase or text describing the image you want to generate. For instance, a girl sitting in her room, scared by a ghost. Click on the Generate button. On this page, it will ask you to sign in to unlock. Click on it, and it will take you to another page. Sign up with your email address. You may also use a temporary email address. Wait patiently while it generates our first image. The images generated are cool, but I don't see a ghost here. Let's try again. Click on Generate and it will start generating the AI images. Give it some time and let Fotor and its AI work its magic. Voila! We have obtained the desired free AI image. Click to enlarge it a bit. Now you can download your image and use it for a post on social media or any other purpose. Let's explore this amazing AI image generator further. In the Form Image section, you can choose any style or upload an image as a model. This feature will further assist you in generating the exact image you had in mind. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.